Hello everyone, my name is Polly and I'm a language coach, and today I will tell you how to get 9 for IELTS listening. Before we start, if you want to know more about learning languages, please subscribe to my channel. I passed IELTS exam in December 2019 and I got 9 for listening test.
Applause! Applause!
Today I wanted to give you some tips how to improve your listening for IELTS and also get 9.
Amazing!
The first, probably the most obvious tip is to listen every day. I know this sometimes is frustrating when you listen and you don't understand words and you don't understand what people want to say, but our brain is a very powerful instrument. So even if you don't understand something, it doesn't mean that your brain cannot remember some of these words and expressions. More you listen, more you adapt to native speaker speech.
It's kind of a tongue twister.
More you listen, more you understand. So if you listen to different radio stations, if you listen to the news, you will improve your listening skills just like that.
Just like that?
When I was preparing for IELTS exam, I remember when I was very frustrated and very sad about not understanding anything from BBC radio station. However, I continued listening to it, and in the end, I started understanding almost everything. As you know, there are not a lot of different resources, official resources, to practice IELTS. And every resource that you have from British Council, from Cambridge books, you should work on these resources like it's your last one. So every time when you make a test, afterwards you need to correct all your mistakes and you need to see the transcription and understand why you didn't hear something or why you heard something wrong. Translate every word, listen to this audio record again and again, and make sure that you really worked on it. And after that, after you finish your exercises, you should really understand every word from this transcription.
Every word.
The third tip, don't forget to learn words from every IELTS test. When you make your listening practice, afterwards you need to translate everything and learn these words, because you will see these words all over again. And this academic vocabulary is quite big, but it's not that big that it's impossible to learn. So you try to learn all the words from every exercise that you have, and in the end you will hear these words in different materials and even in reading, and you will use it in your writing. So everything is connected. So you need to focus on vocabulary and focus on practice. Constant practice, everyday practice.
Practice! Practice! Yay! Practice!
One of the most important parts in listening is pronunciation. Probably you think that it's a tip for speaking, but if you don't know how to pronounce a word, if you don't pronounce the word correctly, you will not hear this word when it's pronounced by a native speaker. So make sure that you understand how to pronounce different words from your test. And if you know that, probably you will hear them better. And the last tip is to make a dictation. As I said, think about every material that you have as your last one. And so when you make the test, when you learn all the words from this text, when you read the transcription, when you understand everything, make a dictation. What is dictation? So you put the record again and you try to write every word from this audio record. And after that, you correct yourself and you see your spelling mistakes, because spelling, as you know, is very important also for IELTS exam. If you don't spell correctly the word, you will not get your point. Please press the like button if you enjoyed this video. I wish you good luck in your IELTS exam, and see you in my next videos. Bye!